za vrijeme u potpunosti je iseljeno. Vidiš, kad se radilo Željava, iseljeno je mjesto.
When they were building this military base, there was houses and people living here and they had to leave. They ordered them to abandon their houses and they... If these people move...
There's enough space to go through.
Yeah. A de, a fucking...
Tu su ti bila vrata. Tu su ti bila.
You know, this door has like a peculiar shape to it. You know, like to keep the blast out. This probably tunnel connected both tunnels. Maybe, I don't know. Hold this, please. Thank you.
So this is all connected. There's 3 tunnels here on the Croatian side and 1 tunnel on the Bosnian side.
Ooh. How far does that go?
This is all flooded.
Creepy, huh?
Yeah.
Nemojte sve baterije upaljene imati. Jer da se šta dovolje da se možemo vratiti nazad.
Well, save your battery?
Don't have all the batteries on because something happens when we turn back.
I got my phone.
But watch out.
Glavno svjetlo je ti objasnio nešto. Zašto? Kako nešto?
The end. But in this... Znači tu je kraj, Renato. Kako nije, gledaj, zid. Zid.
Oh, the tunnel's here.
Da, zašto nema...
Anybody need to use the restroom? You can probably squat in there. And going where?
I think this is the end.
Yeah, the tunnel goes that way.
Yeah.
Which makes sense because if you make a straight tunnel and the bomb blows up and just goes straight to the tunnel. Right. It's incredible that planes used to go through here, you know?
Ova srednja jaka neće raditi više uopće.
What are you looking for?
Kad sam vani
More
bio,
power?
je htjelo. Ja ti neko
Brighter?
objasnim kako to radi.
Ne, to je to.
Ma ništa, ajde.
To ti je ovako, najvjerovatnije.
Ajde, čekajte sad, ajde. Pričaj, najvjerovatnije.
So airplanes would come out through here.
Whoa.
Najvjerovatnije.
Whoa. Oh, so this has been sealed. This is the door.
Tamo su bilo vrata.
No, this is the door right here.
I jedna su bila tu isto.
Look, this is...
It's closed. This was the door room where they put the door. Makes sense.
Tu za to moram da...
A s čim ćeš prije?
Pa zašto šta? Pa čega? Pa ko će neće ga poznati? Pa ne može
Yeah, the camera isn't even catching anything. Look.
Kamera ništa ne vodi.
Ma ništa kamera, tu je kamera.
No, it's not that it's pitch dark. It's just that it's focusing on the moisture. Kinda scared?
Ne idemo ni lijevo.
A dobro.
Huh? But Maria, you guys are right there. You guys are not like a mile away. I'm not going anywhere.
Renato, ja idem van. Ej, daj nemoj ići lijevo i desno, nemoj da se zajebavati, Renato. Vidiš da ovaj motorista je
Evo ne prije nego da ne zatvoriš.
ovaj motorista je rekao da jako puno motora, s motorima ide unutra, pa su stavili da je posljedno.
Huge concrete glass door. What do you mean covered? What's the matter? What's the matter?
What do you mean?
Like, what's the problem with this? Just a little hair.